Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 24th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. And this one will be number 9966. Well. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here in the last column. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Yes, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one is very interesting because this one has 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one. All right, see you then. Bye bye for now.